Yes, look at you, Bear. Hey, Bear. Yes, you do. You tell him to go away. You make noise. You let him know you're here. Go away, Bear.
We're going to go inside. Let's go inside, okay? What?
Oh my gosh, we gotta go. We gotta go in. Turn off the fire. Turn off the fire. Turn off the fire. Hold on. How do you turn it off?
Go away, Bear. You're cool. Go away.
How do you turn it off? Like this?
Just push the vertical button beside the times.
I can't hear him. He's huge. Daddy's taking pictures. Yeah.
Say, go away, Bear. Get out. He's chilling. He's fine. They're fine. Black bears are fine.
I mean, they like food.
We don't have any.
In our house, we do.
We don't. He's not coming in the house. We don't have any right here. He's just sitting chilling.
He looks like me.
Look at him.
Thank you for telling us.
He might sleep here. Thank you. I was gonna be mad if I went all week and not saw one.
Oh my God, he's looking at me.
He stares right into your soul. It's awesome. Oh my God. He's big. He's gotta be 500 pounds.
That is freaking.
Right? Look, I think the van down there sees him.
Yeah, they're stopping to take pictures.
Yeah. Would you like a bear? You can have him.
Hey, boo boo.
This is the only one, right? Oh my God.
Oh my God. This is awesome.
I'm not so sure.
Just sitting up here on the patio, having a little fire, which they put out, thinking it would make the bear go away. I don't know. This car stopped. He's checking out the bear.
Hey, you. Go away.
Oh my God, this is awesome. Dude, he's got to be 500 pounds, 600 pounds.
Just remember that.
He is chilling.
You think?
Okay, I'm going up.
It is a very steep climb to get up here. We're fine.
Well, that was actually quite true, but
Yeah, but
Where's he going?
oh.
Oh, I got that.
Did you send it to Gianna? No. Oh, she just said love you, good night.
Are you still on with the kids?
no, I hung up so I could take pictures.
Oh my God. He's just chilling.
Jay, you better run past me, man.
I'm going inside.
Get out of here, man. Come on.
Nope, none.
No, you're good.
Nope, deck check, you're fine. All right, he's under the deck now. I grab this, and I guess we'll go inside.
I mean, I've seen videos of them breaking.
Oh my God, that was awesome. I was gonna be so mad if I went all week and not saw a bear. And we've been here for like 6 hours. Awesome. All right, came back out here. First bear encounter ever. He's just eating grass. So we have from the road. He was under our deck here. There's our main road. Come up the driveway here, and you can either go over to these kind people that warned us about the bear, or come up to our driveway right here. But here's our bear, and he's just rooting around, eating. I really, like, we're up so high, I feel like I'm in a zoo. And he doesn't seem like, he's just slow. He's just chilling. He's looking for scraps of stuff, I guess. All of our food is in the house. Nothing in the car. But yeah, he's just
Meandering.
Probably just gonna walk up this hill or something. This is the first bear I've ever seen in the wild, and it's like in our driveway outside of Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Figured there was no possible way we could go to the Smokies and not see a bear. I just didn't think it would be in the driveway on the first night. No parking, bear. Yeah, he's just like rooting around for trash and stuff. All right, checking out your driveway now. Okay, so our neighbors here have been having a fire pit for the last like 3 hours. He's just strutting right up their driveway. Yeah. Oh, did they spotlight him or something? Oh, I think somebody's holding a spotlight. No? Oh, the street light. I think there's a motion light there that went on. They triggered the motion light or the darkness, whatever, the light came on. This is fantastic. Alright, well, since we've only been here for like 5 or 6 hours, I suspect he won't be the last.
Whoa, guys.
Yeah, they all see him. So family's there. Now he's just kind of creeping up the hill. Has a steep climb. Has a steep climb right there. So his house is up there. This is awesome. He sounds heavy. He sounds so heavy. All right, that is crazy. Still watching him over there. He's just rooting around in the grass. I think he's just like looking for scraps or something.
He does.
He's really, for the most part, ignoring us. When he was under our deck, he did stare us. Me and my wife straight in the eyes. Oh my God, this is fantastic. He's so close to their driveway. This is phenomenal. Oh, he's going into their driveway. They're all inside except for one guy. I mean, I hope he's talking to the bear. He should be talking to the bear. Should be making some noise. Although this bear seemed unfazed by any noise that we made. Absolutely unfazed. It was just like, your house is clinging to my hill. He is taking on a steep hill right now. He is trying for a steep hill right here. There's so much development up here on this hill just west of Gatlinburg. Here he goes. Alright. He's actually halfway up. He is a much better climber than I am. He's like really just slow and steady, but he is almost at the top of that hill. I don't see anybody on the decks up there. The rest of this family came out. Now Lee's halfway up the hill. All right, well, hey, that's it. Yeah, 5 hours into the anniversation trip. Vacation. 15-year trip in Gatlinburg, and we've already seen the first black bear. That is awesome. He's almost at the top of the hill. I'll see him. Yeah. I might just chill there on the cliff tonight. Awesome.